Alright, so I had ordered some stuff from Darn Good Yarn, and I got it in the mail today. Let me open this up. Now, I had got, actually I'll just show you. They have the sock yarn bundles. So I actually got both of them. I have all the sock yarn already. I just really, really like it. So there's that. And they had the 2 mystery books. So I did those. Let me see what I got. Fund Your Dreams. Okay, do festivals. Alright. Ooh, I like this better. Learn to knit 25 quick and easy knitting projects to get you started. Just kind of flip through this. Okay. Now, for the big thing I got the black box. Which I have to get it out of the bag. Where'd my scissors go? Okay. So, I move these out of the way. This right here is the Darn Good Yarn Mystery Black Box. So let's see what we have in this. I need sharper scissors. Alright, so, oops, I dropped something. Okay, I've got a couple of these already. They're adorable though. The Start at Love pins. Alright, and I've actually already got the fox, but that is cute. Let me zoom this in some and I'll just lay everything out. Okay, so I got that. Got a set of needles, which I actually got a set of needles. There's knitting needles and crochet hook. They are US size 8. I actually got these in my very first order. I do have this yarn already. Ooh, I don't think I have this one. This one's really pretty. It's ombre recycled silk yarn, green. It's a lace weight, which this one was the Machu Picchu. It's a worsted weight, number 4. Okay, what else do I have? A little bag. I've got a notepad. I have the Holly Jolly lace weight number 1 super fine yarn. This is actually really pretty. I like that one. And there's something else in here. A yarn bowl. Okay, so this is a $100 box, and I got a yarn bowl, a fox crochet kit, knitting needles, crochet hook, the notepad, and 3 things of yarn. Okay, to be honest guys, I'm really not that impressed or really that happy with this. I am very glad I used my coupon codes for it though, because I was hoping for more yarn. Every single thing, everything else, I already have. I have this yarn, I have this, I have this, I have this, I have this. I have a smaller one kind of like that. The only thing I got that I did not have were these 2 things of yarn right here. I always try to be positive, guys. I wish I had more yarn. If you don't get the monthly yarn subscription, then this might be a little more worth it to you. But, and the books, this really isn't a book that's going to benefit me too much. I already basically do all this, although I will reference it just to check. This book I will use. Now, they do have their book yarn bundle things, and what I did was, there's the one with the 2 books and the 6 sock yarn. If you buy it separate for the 2 mystery books, and then you get both sock collar options, you do save money that way. So this I do like. I do think I do enjoy that. And the 2 mystery books, it was 2 mystery books. I had no clue what I was getting, so I'm happy with that. The black box, honestly, not so much. I really hope there was more yarn in it. They have a purple box too. I don't know if that one's the same like this, where you only get 3 things of yarn, which as a subscription, that would be like $30 worth, you know, $10 a month. Well, 13 after shipping. And the same thing with the needles. And I have that. And I have the yarn bowl. So, and I have this yarn in different colors. I actually have a shawl I've been making out of it. So I do like this yarn, and I do like this yarn. I think I've gotten about 4 or 5 of these over the past couple years. And let's see, are these Post-its or is this just a notepad? We'll go ahead and check this out. Okay, and this is a little notepad. Maybe I can glue a magnet to it or something. That's what it needs. It needs a magnet on the back so I can put it on the fridge. That'd be a cute little fridge pad. Alright guys, I know I'm always like so happy and upbeat, and I am kind of disappointed with the black box. I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. I like to like everything. But the sock yarn, and when they had the sock box, it's over now. This is what it came with. And if you've never, actually I'll go ahead and open one of these up in case you are unfamiliar with the sock box and you can see the yarn. Because this, I absolutely recommend. The black box, if you already have the subscription, I don't really recommend it. If you don't have the subscription, you just kind of want a mixture of what they have, then yeah, go ahead. It has a little yarn bowl. I think they sell for like 45 bucks or something. Typically these things are, you know, 15, 20 bucks a piece. This, I think they were selling, it says 20 bucks on it, but I think you can get it for like 5, 10 bucks on the site. The needles are nice. I've gotten multiple sets over the years, but they are nice. I've never really had, I did have one that came broken in the mail once, but that could have been the mailman's fault. But I like the ombre, how it fades. But if you have the subscription, then you'll end up with a lot of stuff. And I save up my karma points, and I will buy other things with my karma points. That's how I've gotten yarn bowls. Okay, here's how the sock box went. Each month you got the yarn, and it came with, let me find the right color here. It came with a pattern. What I did was I'd open the box and I put the pattern book down in it. But the yarn is made as a center pull and it's self-striping, so you don't have to change anything. And for this one, it comes with a needle knit and a crochet pattern. It amazes me the difference in amount of yarn you use for crochet versus needle knit. And it shows you, so then you get the information about the yarn, where it comes from. That's the yarn bowl I got in the black box. Let's see, and then it shows you the pattern. It's the crochet pattern. Ooh! I didn't notice this. This has 2 different knit patterns and 2 crochet patterns. Okay, now I gotta go through all these, because I looked to the side and just saw one of each and thought that's all there was. Awesome! See? I love this yarn. Which I'll open it up and actually show you how they look. Like how pretty is that? We've got blues and purples. There's a like almost a teal, and then there's like a yellow green and a lighter purple. And it comes with 2, and they're both ready to use. So I just take that. And one thing I like is the yarn is together. It's in a box. The pattern's with it. And it's ready to store. So if you have hanging hooks, you can hang it up. Or you can stack them or whatever. But it's all there together. So you don't lose the pattern. You don't lose the yarn. You have it all together. Okay, guys. This is all I got for you. I'll go ahead. Okay, just in case. We got the $100 black box. We got a yarn bowl, notepad, size US 8mm, a set of knitting needles and 1 crochet hook, the DIY Fox kit, 1 Start at Love pin, 1, I'm not sure what this is, because they don't close up tight enough to really hold your notions that good. Or even coins so much. I've tried that, but they are cute. So I'm not really 100% sure what that's supposed to be used for. So we got a little tiny, we'll say notion pouch, and only 3 things of yarn. I was really wanting, I would like to get a $100 box of mostly yarn. This is mostly everything else other than yarn. It does come with the yarn and everything you need for the Fox. So that's nice. Alright guys, there's the black box. Now the sock bundles, I do enjoy. The mystery books, I didn't know what I was getting. So I knew it was going to be 2 books and I got 2 books. So I'm happy with that. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you've gotten a mystery box and the black mystery box and you've gotten other things in it, or yours had more yarn or whatever, please leave comments in the comment section below. It's very, very rare that I'm kind of disappointed with something. So definitely leave comments if you've gotten one and it had more yarn and stuff, and especially if you've gotten the purple one. I had to decide black or purple, and the black one seemed more exclusive, so I went with the black one. Okay, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Check the video description for more information about the items here and coupon codes and such. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications. Have a nice day.